Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm gonna explain about migration of Next.js 12 to 13. First, let's install the Next.js 12. So go to the folder where you want to create the Next.js app. I'm creating the command prompt. Next, give the command npx create next app at 12.3. Provide enter. So it will ask question whether we have to install Next.js 12 or not. So provide yes. It will take some time to install, and here it is asking the name. I am providing app router migration. So app router migration, yes, it is installed. So here Next.js application is installed. Close this command prompt and open the folder. Again go to the command prompt, open in the VS Code. Now the VS Code will open. Now VS Code has been opened. Next we are going to migrate to the Next.js 13. For that, let me open the Chrome. I am going to provide Next.js 12 to 13. Here we can see the upgradation. So to upgrade this, we have to use this command. So I'm going to copy this command and go to VS Code, open the terminal. So here I'm going to provide those commands and enter. Now the installation is finished. Now the update of Next.js 13 is done. Next I'm going to explain about how we have to use the code mods to upgrade the new features. So here first I'm going to go to the documentation, and here you can see we can migrate images link script. So let's go here. I'm going to migrate images. So I'm going to use this migration guide. So let's go here. In Next.js we have two images. One is normal next image and one is experimental images, which will available in a next/future/image. So for this code mod, I'm going to copy this and go to VS Code index.js. I'm going to provide here, and you can see the normal image and which is in an alpha stage or which is in an experimental stage. So we can use the experimental image component also. So if we want to use this experimental images, we have to make certain changes in config. Go here, provide experimental object. Inside this object we are going to provide images again object, allow future image true. So you can see now we have allowed the experimental image components also. Next, here I'm going to use the code mod which is used to convert this Next.js image and future image. Go to the documentation. You can see here in the top. First, you can see here in the top npx code mod, and for which feature we are going to change we have to mention here, and for which path we have to define the path here. So first I'm going to convert to the images. So I'm going to the image code mod. So here code mod latest image legacy image. So copy this one, go to the VS Code. I'm providing this, and I'm going to provide slash enter. We can wait for few seconds. We can see here no changes has been occurred. It is asking to commit. So I'm going to commit git commit hyphen update to router, and here we have updated here. So again I'm going to provide the same command to update the images. So you can see here the images has been changed which was previously there. You can go back video before 20 or 30 seconds back, and you can check the imports which we have here. So this is how these images will change. It means nothing but in Next.js 12 we have normal Next.js image. In future image which are experimental feature, now in Next.js 13 this experimental feature has been added to the next image like this, and this normal image has been moved to the legacy image. You can access the previous image feature using next legacy image, and this experimental feature moved to the normal Next.js image. You can see here. So this is the change happened here. Next, I'm going to show how we have to create the pages in the app router. So I'm going to provide select the package.json and create new folder app. So here for index page, I don't, again I'm going to create a one folder which is called blog, and for this blog I'm going to provide one page.js rfce. So here we have a normal page. Likewise, if we want set some router, we have to create a folder name with particular router, and the UI will be rendered through the pages only. Instead of here we are using index, we are going to use page.js. So let's check npm run dev. So you can access the URL slash blog. Now the page will load in a few seconds. You can see the blog page has been loaded. So what is the default advantage of using this app router? So this file will act as a server, will act from the server, and it will render in a UI. if we want to use client side rendering, here instead of leaving empty, use client. So you can render this component as a use client. So I don't need here a client rendering, so I'm going to remove this and I'm going to use this as a from the server side itself. I will explain all this server side runner client in a future videos. So here I have given a very basic overview to how to migrate to the Next.js 13 using codemod. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.